friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to film this video. I literally teared up when this whole thing was happening, but there was a collaboration between one of my favorite people, Amy Loves Makeup, and a brand that I've been wanting to try for such a long time, Amy Hearts Beauty. Did I say that right? I feel like I always get their names mixed up when I talk about them together. But oh my gosh, they created the Alma palette together, and when I was watching her reveal video, my eyes were full of tears, my jaw was dropped. I literally gasped when I first saw the color story. Let's look at her. Look how beautiful that is. It is such a good color story. I'm so impressed with this. I feel like so often in the mainstream beauty world, when a creator comes up with a beauty collaboration to create a palette, it's always something so basic. There's so many browns with like little pops of color here and there and quirky little names. But this, while it is very Amy, it's also just so unique and something fun and something different. I think she did such a good job with this color story. I'm so speechless. Amy, I'm so proud of you. You are so deserving. I can't thank you enough for sending this to me. I'm so grateful when she DM'd me wanting to send this to me. I was just so flabbergasted. I was so excited. I have already dipped my grubby little fingers in it because I wanted to just swatch it for my vlog and take little pictures of it and stuff like that. She addressed it in her own video, but these shadows are very, very soft, so you do get little sprinkles of just like shadow residue on your palette, or at least mine did when it came in the mail, but nothing was broken. Everything's totally fine. They feel so soft and pretty. I actually went ahead of the game and took the shade Heavenly and used that as my face highlight today. It's a really pretty pinky duochrome. It's so cute. And oh my goodness, I can't wait to just put this all over my eyes. I will 100% be doing an eye swatch video and a 3 looks 1 palette very soon. Probably look for that in the first week of December. I'm so excited. I could go on and on and on and on. I just want to get into this palette. So I'm going to create a look. I don't know what I'm going to do. I kind of want to do something grungy, but very ethereal. I don't know how I'm going to be able to do that, but we will see. Oh, one other thing I wanted to talk about is typically I do not like when palettes have more shimmers than mattes. This palette only has, it looks like 6 mattes and the rest are shimmers. But I actually love it in this palette because the mattes that there are so perfect, and I feel like I can create so many looks with the mattes that she gave me that I have no complaints with that. We will see how these perform on the eyes though. If they perform well, this might be one of my new favorite palettes. I'm so into this color story. I can't say it enough. Had she not wanted to send this to me, I would have been the first customer. Oh, I'm getting choked up. I'm so excited. All right, I'm going to zoom you guys in. I'm going to prime my eye with my Sigma eyeshadow base and Ignite. I'm not going to set it as usual, and we're going to create some magic. Okay, I'm primed and ready to go. Morgan helped me out today and gave me a haircut. I have even more hair shaved on my head now, and I'm so excited about it. It feels so good. Ooh, having a lot of hair is a lot of work, so I just wanted a lot of it gone. I think I'm going to go ahead and take Dreamweaver, this really pretty lilac-y, lavendery color. I'm going to use my Kaleidos S1. They're a little bit powdery, but that honestly doesn't bother me. I'm fine with soft shadows. It usually just means they're easy to work with. They're usually pretty buildable when it's that kind of a formula. And I just really want to swirl this all through my crease, wing it out in my outer corner, and I'm really going to blow it out on my lower lash line. I've been wanting to try this brand for such a long time. I'm going to do a video in December, like a brand I want to try in 2020. Not a revolutionary idea, but just something I wanted to do because I did one last year. And this was on the list until Amy DM'd me, and I'm happy I got to cross that off because I've been wanting to try them. I've been very, very intrigued. But I'm not a huge single shadow person, so I'm really happy I get to try them in a palette. Ooh. It's such a cute color. I'm just going to slowly build this up until it's the intensity that I like, and then I'm going to start deepening it up with some other shades. Goodness, I can't speak. It's Sunday today. I got this palette delivered Saturday after I got off work. Well, it might have gotten delivered while I was at work, but I got it after I got off work, and then Zane and I had a date, so I didn't have time to film with it yesterday. But I'm filming with it today, and then I plan to edit sometime during my work day tomorrow and have it up for you guys Tuesday, which you're already seeing this, so that doesn't matter. But that's my plan. That's where I'm at. Oh, look how beautiful. I love that. Can I look like this all the time? I'd be very content. Let's see. I think I want to take Blessed and kind of tuck that a little towards the front portion of my crease. I'm using my Lexi 229. All of my brushes are clean and I'm very happy about it because now all of the possibilities are endless. Wow, this shade is so cute. I'm just gonna start fluffing and building this up in the front half of my crease and lower lash line area. I'm just holding the end of my brush using light pressure, just doing light little circles and sweeps. Because like I said, I want this to be grungy but also ethereal. I don't really know what that vision is in my mind, but I have a vision. I want to take Spirit now. Is that what it's called? Yes, Spirit. On my Spectrum B06, it's just another kind of medium blending brush. I want to take this on the outer half of my crease and lower lash line. And again, keeping with kind of that wing-like shape. I'm not going to blend this up and out too far just because the shade is getting a little bit darker. I want to keep this a little more concentrated, but I am still blending it out at the same time. They seem to blend so easy and so much like butter. I'm so excited. I haven't tried a new brand in such a long time. It's just, you know, finances. You can't try everything all the time. I'm going to take my first brush that I had, no additional product, just to help buff and blend all these shadows some more so that everything is nice and soft. I love periwinkles so much. It's one of my favorite colors in the world. Mustard yellows, olive greens, periwinkles. I love it. I don't really wear this color too often in my clothing, and I don't really reach for it as far as decor, but with makeup, I just adore this color. Especially with my hair color, I think it looks so cute. Oof, yes. I'm going to take this little brush now, it's a Morphe M506, and I'm going to take Taurus, that dark navy-ish kind of color, I guess I would call it. And I want to tuck this just kind of right in the crease, but definitely focused in the outer corner as well, just to really add that depth. And again, I'm just using light pressure because I want this to be a very soft blend. I'm not going for anything too harsh or anything like that. I'm just going in with little bits at a time and building it up until I like the effects. And I'm really liking it so far. So far, I'm not really having to work too hard. It's all just kind of doing its thing for me, which I quite appreciate, especially because it is late. Well, it's not that late. It's 6:45, but I've been going to bed around 8:30, 9 because I wake up at 5:30, so it's getting late for me. And I don't want to spend 5 hours doing my makeup tonight. I'm just not in that kind of place. I'm gonna take the blending brush I used with Spirit in the outer corner before. No additional product, just to help buff this darker shade out. And now I'm going to take that very, very first brush I had. I'm actually going to take a little bit more of Dreamweaver, that very first one, especially just to rerun kind of in that lower lash area. And I'm dragging it down pretty far. I just do that all the time now. I can't stop, won't stop. I just think it's so eye-catching and pretty. Ooh, I love this. I'm having so much fun right now. All right, so we're gonna do some half-cut creases. Who's surprised? The thing is, I don't know what I want to do because there's so many beautiful shimmers in here. I feel like I want Wish to be the main cut and I want it to fade down into, ooh, I don't know. I think I want it to fade down into Lovely, but the outer half I want to be Lover. We will see though, and I might pop something else on the lower lash line just because I really want to use a lot of these shimmers. We shall see though. I have this flat brush from ColourPop, it's an E3, and I'm going to use my MBA Cosmetics Glitter Foil in Line FX. It's my favorite glitter glue for half-cut creases. The NYX Glitter Primer works fabulously as well though. I'm going to take this and kind of run it across my lid and just start carving right above my natural crease. Now, as you can see as I'm doing this, it's kind of removing some of that eyeshadow, which I love for half-cut creases because it gives me a really clean canvas to work on, while also leaving a sticky base for those shimmers to pop. And I always use a glitter glue with every shimmer just in case you're new here. Using that exact same brush, I'm going to dip into Wish, and that I'm going to just take very, very close to the cut crease. I want that to be my little pop Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. It looks like Cinderella. It's so pretty. Wow, that shade is so icy and wintry. I can't wait to film my eye swatches with this video, or this palette, this video. What am I saying? I'm going nuts. I actually might film that right after this video just because I really, really want to play with these shadows some more. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Holy freaking moly. Okay, now I want to take Lovely. I'm going to use the exact same brush. I'm just going to flip it over so it's the cleaner side of it. And that is just going to go on the front half of the rest of my lid. Wow, that shade is so pretty as well. I feel like I'm just constantly doing the fit as many shadows as you can challenge. Is that even a challenge? It is now. I do it every day. I just want to play with every shadow at the same time, always. And I'm just kind of going back and forth between both sides of that brush, just trying to mush them together so that it flows. Look how beautiful. Okay, now I just have this random brush from, I think, e.l.f. It's really old. And I want to take Lover now and stamp that on the remaining parts of my lid. Ooh, that's cute. I love how sparkly these are. I knew they'd be sparkly when I was kind of touching them and swatching them, but man, oh man. Them on the eyes, especially with this glitter glue, it is just, it's what dreams are freaking made of. That's what it is. Just gonna quickly take the little brush I used with that darkest shade just to smudge. I don't have any additional product. And I'm just using a light motion. And then I'm just going to take the brush I used with my cut creasing just to, again, do like little taps. Just so that all these shimmers flow together so it just looks like you have multiple... I mean, really, so many of these are duochromes, so now it's like I have a million chromes on my lid. Ooh. I feel so good. Okay, now pencil brush. I need a pencil brush ASAP. All right, I need some more of these shimmers in action. I want to take, I guess, Hearts, because I don't really want to play with the Emerald today, even though that is one of my favorite shades in the palette. I'm taking my E18 from Morphe. I'm just going to smudge that in this front half of my lower lash line. I didn't grab glitter glue. I typically don't use glitter glue on the lower lash line just because I want to make sure it feathers out really, really nicely. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so pretty. It's just a subtle little sparkle down here because, again, I'm not using a ton of product. I'm going in very lightly and I don't have glitter primer. That's like what I like on a lower lash line. It's just so cute. Ooh. I'm so excited. Okay, so with these three for the inner corner, which one do I want to use? I feel like I gotta go with the one that's on my face because that just kind of goes with this whole motif the best that I have going on. So I'm just gonna take Heavenly, and that's gonna go right in the inner corner. Amy is the queen of inner corner highlights, so I just knew that there would be a bomb inner corner highlight. Little did I know she gave us three. Oof, cute. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I don't know what I want in my waterline just yet. It's either going to be a lavender or a periwinkle, most likely a periwinkle. But either way, I'm going to replicate this on the other eye, throw my lashes, something on my lips, all that good stuff, and we will chat some more. All right, so this is my final look. I feel like I captured ethereal and grunge together quite nicely, if I do say so myself. I'm so into this look. I wish so bad it wasn't nighttime and I had something to do because I feel so cute. This is beautiful. Amy, I'm so impressed so far. Again, obviously this is my first impressions, but I'm quite impressed. I think it's beautiful. I can't wait to film my eye swatches. I can't wait to film my 3LX1 palette. I'm just so excited. I'm very happy for you, Amy. You deserve everything. In my waterline, I decided to go with, I don't know where it went. I always lose my eye pencils. I went with Prance from ColourPop, just a nice periwinkly blue color. I thought it was cute. My lashes are still the Bold Face Makeup. I don't know what they're called. Next Level Lashes. I'm such a mess. And on my lips, I went with the Stone Fox Liquid Suede from NYX. I just felt like it kind of went with this whole motif, and I really like it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of this palette? Do you plan on picking it up? I believe it launches on Black Friday, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember the price offhand. I think it's $41. something like that. But what do you guys think? Do you love it? Do you want it? I would love to hear your thoughts about it. Have you tried Amy Hart's Beauty in the past? I want to know everything that you have to think. If you made it to the end, leave some kind of purple emoji. I feel like that is just the way to go. Any purple emoji, leave it for me, please. And if you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram, follow me there. It's beautbean. I literally just hit 10K on Instagram. That's wild to me. Never in a million years would I've ever thought that. So just thank you for the support. Follow me there if you haven't yet. And if you are not already, please subscribe as well. I post here most days. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.